Hello and welcome to the MStar training session to import media details in library. Importing of media details means that we are porting or transferring the details of books or any other media type of the library from an Excel sheet into MStar School Expert System. We have to ensure that the Excel sheet that we are using to import the data is the Excel sheet provided by MGRM, because that is the only Excel sheet which will be compatible and the data porting will be successful. So as a first step, we check the Excel sheet and prepare it for data porting for the application, and we save it at a location which can be identified and accessible by the application. So let us see the steps to import the books or other media details in MStar Library module. As we can see, we are already in the library module. So we click on the tab Activities and we select the screen Import Library Data. As the screen opens, we see two buttons here. Click to select the Excel file and import. The button Click to select the Excel file is used to select the Excel file from our folders from which the data will be extracted and pulled in the application, and Import is the button which will finally transfer that data from the Excel into the application. The data as we have imported, as we port into the application, will appear as part of the stock of library and will be available for issue and return to students or employees. So first, click to select the Excel file. As you select, it will open a dialog box with the various folders, and we select a folder in which our porting sheet is available. So we are clicking on the sheet Library Mandatory Details, which is our porting sheet for library porting of data. After we selected the Excel sheet, we click on the button Open and we wait for a while. As we can see, it shows us the status of the data being fetched, and it also gives us a message after it has fetched the data to check the last two columns for data status in the Excel file. So let us open our Excel file and see the status. This is our Excel file and the details of the books are there in the porting sheet. As a sample, we have taken only one book for porting, and as we see the last column, it says that it has been imported successfully. This actually means that the data has been fetched successfully for this book. Close the Excel sheet and go back into the application. After this, we will click on the button Import, which will actually import the data. And as it has imported, we will see a message that the library details have been imported successfully. It is this message that confirms that the data has been transferred from the Excel sheet into the MStar application. Click OK on the confirmation message and let us see our media details. So we click on the activities and select the screen Stock Updation, in which we can see the stocks. Select the library and click on button Go. Select the media category under which we have ported the data, and we can enter the school accession number and click on Enter. So we see that the details as ported from the Excel sheet has been transferred with the details. Let us also see an MIS report. Click on the MIS report and see Library Stock Register, selecting the library name, media category and the status and generating the report. So as the report generates, we can again search for the media title for the media, and as we see, the media details as we had entered through the porting sheet has been transferred and showing in our reports. Close the report and click on Exit to exit from the report, and we are back on the home page. So this way we can import the library media details into the application. As already informed, we need to ensure that the data in the porting sheet and the Excel sheet is correct and standardized before we come to this step. That is, all the mandatory fields in the Excel sheet are entered with the data. Thank you for watching this video.